Priced at $399, the Turtle Beach simulation system redefines flight simulation with its comprehensive features. Boasting 15 axis and 139 programmable functions, it offers unparalleled control. The Flight Touch display and OLED HUD provide real-time feedback and customization options, enhancing immersion. However, the extensive controls may overwhelm beginners, and the high price point might deter casual users. Overall, it's a premium HUD system tailored for serious sim enthusiasts seeking the ultimate experience. Discover the future of display technology with a 2-in-1 largest portable display and projector. This revolutionary device unfolds to reveal the world's largest portable display, a 24.5-inch diagonal screen, effortlessly expanding and folding in seconds. With its lightweight, compact design, take it anywhere. Forget about phones or laptops. This device transforms into a fully portable projector with FHD quality, creating a cinematic experience on the go. Say farewell to the limitations of cheap or expensive projectors. Usher in a new era of cinematic brilliance. Don't miss out on this game-changing innovation. Get yours now! Astro Secure and Ring Protect, a smart investment for business security at $2,349. With its HD night vision periscope camera, Astro monitors up to 5,000 square feet, reducing blind spots and providing real-time surveillance. The Astro app offers live views and two-way communication. Custom patrols and smart alerts enhance security, though additional subscriptions are required. While unable to navigate stairs, Astro's proactive protection and privacy controls make it a valuable asset for business owners. The Divoom TimesGate. Not just a clock, but a cyberpunk digital masterpiece. With 5 vivid LCDs, it's a visual spectacle for your gaming room or office. Smartly control it through the app, personalizing screen patterns and data dials. Stay informed with practical features like a world clock, real-time weather, and virtual asset insights. Unleash creativity with a pixel art playground, customizing animated graphics effortlessly. As your gaming setup decor, TimesGate synchronizes seamlessly, infusing vibrant light and artistic flair. The perfect gift, blending exquisite design with endless enjoyment and practical value. Introducing the YBot cordless robotic pool cleaner, your pool's new best friend. With specialized scrubbing brushes and a 4-wheel drive system, it effortlessly climbs and cleans walls, floors, and the waterline, leaving your pool sparkling. The triple motor design ensures powerful suction, effortlessly picking up sand, leaves, and debris, saving you time and effort. Enjoy up to 110 minutes of continuous cleaning with a rechargeable battery, perfect for pools up to 60 feet. And it charges fully in just 4.5 hours. Intelligent path planning and precision navigation guarantee methodical coverage. Gears Vibe Spider is a captivating blend of art and technology, offering a unique 3D metal puzzle and plasma ball combo. With 627 meticulously crafted components, assembling the Plasma Spider is an immersive experience, taking around 6 hours. Inspired by the agility of spiders, its multi-joint legs provide unparalleled mobility. The 3-inch plasma sphere adds a touch of magic, transforming into a mesmerizing light display. While assembly requires patience, the result is a futuristic decor accent that will ignite your curiosity and fascination. Indulge in the pinnacle of comfort with the Valencia Tuscany home theater seating. Immerse yourself in premium top-grain Italian Napa leather, featuring an exceptionally smooth and supple finish. Activate the powered ergonomic lumbar support with a touch, customizing your lounge experience. The center drop-down console adds convenience with electrical outlets, USB ports, and more. LED ambient base and cup holder lighting set a cozy mood. The one-step control panel on the inner armrest manages powered features, from lumbar to headrest and recline functions. Uncover hidden arm storage for discreet gadget stashing. For our tech-savvy viewers interested in home security, let's explore the YZ Smart Home Security Camera. This wired pan and tilt camera offers full 1080p HD streaming, allowing you to monitor any part of the room swiftly. The rotating motion tracking feature is impressive, following and recording moving objects, ensuring you never miss a moment. The smooth, quiet operation is a significant advantage, making it discreet and non-disruptive. With the YZ app, you can control and view the live stream from anywhere, providing peace of mind whether you're home or away. Meet the Anilinkan wireless charging station, your ultimate charging solution. Powered by high-speed charging chips and an included 18-watt adapter, it zaps your devices to full power in just 2 to 3 hours. Tailored for iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods Pro users, it's your all-in-one charging haven. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it your perfect travel companion, ensuring multiple devices stay charged on the go. Concerned about nighttime illumination? Fear not, our smart breathing nightlight keeps you informed without disturbing your sleep, and you can easily turn it off for total darkness. The Garmin Instinct crossover offers a rugged yet stylish design with solar charging capabilities, priced at $449. Combining analog watch hands with smart features on a high-resolution digital display, it provides accurate timekeeping and smart functionality. With MIL STD 810 certification and water resistance up to 100 meters, it's built to withstand tough conditions. Some users reported issues with loose minute hands. Overall, it's a reliable choice for active lifestyles seeking long battery life and comprehensive health monitoring. Next, let's clear the air with the Aero Eve air purifiers. Whether you're dealing with smoke, pollen, or pet dander, this purifier's HEPA filter is up to the task of promoting better health and well-being. The high circulation rate ensures fresh air reaches every corner of the room, ideal for spaces up to 215 square feet. The low decibel operation is a standout feature, especially with the sleep mode activated. It's perfect for anyone sensitive to noise, providing effective purification without disturbance. For a touch of luxury, the aroma pad allows you to add your favorite essential oil, spreading a pleasant fragrances as it purifies. Meet the future of a healthier, mite-free living space, the innovative Dust Mite Vacuum Robot. Featuring 3 efficient modes, it targets and removes mites, dust, and skin flakes from your fabrics. With a built-in smart chip, just press a button for automatic cleaning. Experience creative smart path planning and multi-layer precision filtration for the most effective mite removal. This special vacuum robot independently plans its cleaning route, making your bed spotless in just 15 to 20 minutes. Elevate your cleaning routine with a Dust Mite Vacuum Robot, a smarter solution for a cleaner home and a fresher living environment. Flora, the innovation air purifier, brings nature into your home with its integrated air purification system and ecological moss. Its modern design and use of natural materials make it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Assembly is a breeze, fostering creativity and fine motor skills in children. With its RGB diode strip, it doubles as a calming nightlight, promoting restful sleep. Flora not only purifies the air, but also improves overall well-being and environmental consciousness. Elevate your creative journey with a Color Pick pen, a tool as dynamic and innovative as your work. Picture a smart pen that puts 16 million colors at your fingertips, offering endless possibilities with point-and-click technology. Capture colors effortlessly with smart ink that's light-fast, water-resistant, and weatherproof. Choose from multiple tips for versatile writing and drawing. Rechargeable for 15 hours of uninterrupted performance. Redefine the way you create with a pen designed to stand apart. Your tools should match your standards. Experience the Color Pick pen, where innovation meets limitless creativity. For our health-conscious viewers, let's dive into the Fitbit Health and Fitness Tracker. This isn't just about counting steps, it's about understanding and improving your overall well-being. The Inspire 3 tracker encourages you to move more, stress less, and sleep better, providing detailed insights into your daily readiness score, stress management, and sleep quality. It's incredibly versatile with over 20 exercise modes, mindfulness sessions, and wellness tracking. With up to 10 days of battery life, it's ready to accompany you through your busy schedule day and night. Say farewell to pet water fountain headaches. Enter the new era of pet hydration with the innovative pumpless fountain, Nature Flow. Revolutionizing the game, every part is a breeze to clean, ensuring effortless maintenance. Bid adieu to submerged pump risks with our Mag Drive technology, dispensing water without electronic components in direct contact. Simplicity was redefined with only 4 components to clean. Choose between 2 dispensing modes, timer mode and intelligent mode, catering to your pet's needs. Tired of the hassle? Embrace the hassle-free Nature Flow, the future of pet hydration without the fuss. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour through some of the coolest tech gadgets on the market. Check the links in the description for more details on these awesome products. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so never miss out on the latest tech trends. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay geeky and embrace the tech.